Okay, today I'll be teaching us how to trade a manual sewing machine. So what we'll be using today is a butterfly machine. I'm going to teach us how to trade this butterfly manual sewing machine. Okay, the things you need to have first before trading a manual sewing machine are, first of all, your thread. Then secondly, you need to have this, sets of this and this. Look at this. This is your shuttle. The common name is shuttle. While this one, the common name is reeler. But if you want to have the official names, this one is called bobbin. While this one is called the what? Bobbin case. You need to have them. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to you first need to do what? Trade your reeler. This one has been traded already. Can you see it? You first need to do what? Trade your reeler. So after you finish trading your reeler, so the next thing you need to do is what? You have to put it inside its case. Are you seeing it? So in order for you to put it inside its case, now look at this. Look at the direction of this thread. Are you seeing it? Now keep this in like this and put it inside like this. Please see what I'm showing you. See the direction. The thread is coming towards you. Don't keep it like this so that the thread will be going towards this place. Keep it like this. Are you seeing it? So when you've kept it like this, all you need to do is what? Put it inside this. Then when you put it inside this, you now see this pathway. From this pathway, direct it towards this place. Can you see it? Towards the opening. Now when you put it like this, next thing you need to do is to roll it to see whether it has been well fixed. Now after you finish rolling it, as you can see, the thread is long now. All you need to do is what? Cut it. Reduce the length. Now after you finish preparing this one, next thing you need to do is what? Put it inside its what? Compartment. Now let's put it. First of all, for you to put it, please, you can see this thing that is here. First put your hand here. That is to unlock it so that you can be able to put it inside here. So now put your hand inside. Okay, as you can see my hand, put it like this. Okay, now you've placed it like this. See that it has positioned itself. Now all you need to do is what? Leave your hand. Now you've locked it. Can you see it? All you need to do is what? Close back your what? Slide plate. And that one is ready. So next thing is to do the upper trading. Remember, in order for you to trade a machine, you first have to do the what? Down part trading and the what? Upper trading. So we finished doing the down trading. Now we have to do the upper trading. Okay, for you to do the upper trading, with your trade, take it and place it here. As you can see, this is the position for it. Place it here. Then direct your trade towards this very point. This is to give it a better tension. Else you can use the default pattern by going directly towards this place. But me, I prefer going towards this down part. Remember what I said, this is for a better tension. Okay, now you've gone through this part. Next thing you need to do is what? From here, are you seeing it? Then as you can see this very part, this tension disc, put it like this. Fix it like this. Okay, I've fixed it. Now next thing you need to do is what? Look at this very part. Insert it through this hole. Through this opening here. Okay, after you finish inserting it, the next thing you need to do is what? Insert it directly through the what? Needle part. Okay, now we are done with the upper trading. There is still something left for you to do before you start sewing, and that is what? To bring out the what? Down trading. If you cannot bring out the down trading, you can never be sure whether you finish setting up your machine. So let's bring out the down part trading. Okay, as you can see, I brought it out. Look at it here. So after you finished, you are done with bringing it out. Next thing you need to do is what? Try and place it like this, backwards. Are you seeing it? Okay, then do your sewing. So for you to sew, like we all know, but if you are still a beginner, you don't know how to sew, all you need to do is what? Lift up your what? Footer lifter. Are you seeing it? Lift it up so that you can be able to what? Put your what? Material. Now when you put your material, first thing you need to do is what? Bring down the needle. And as you are bringing down the needle, watch the thread so that the thread will not go out from the what? Needle. Okay, now bring the needle down, insert it through the material. After you finish inserting it through the material, as you can see, now still take back this what? Thread back and do what? Bring down the footer lifter. Now you've brought it down. All you need to do is what? Pedal your machine and direct it where to sew. Now let's sew. As you can see, the machine is actually doing well. So you can see this is the front part and this is the down part. So this is how to.
So if you have any question, don't forget to put it down in the comment section below and make sure you subscribe.